Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana, and on this video we are going to be checking the market breakdown, what we will be able to trade this week. So we're going to start with gold, and then we're going to follow with GBPUSD. From there we're going to analyze Nasdaq, and lastly we're going to analyze XAUUSD. Now, without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Okay, but guy, I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it, and I did.
We're getting money, don't care about what they on.
First of all, thank you so much for choosing this video, and if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really appreciate your support. Now let's look at gold. We've analyzed gold. I'll just leave a link here for gold. We just did gold and we uploaded a video where we are strictly focusing on gold, so I'm not going to waste much time on gold. We have seen this channel right here to the downside ever since the market been going up, and currently the market is been ranging in this channel right here. So we highlighted this zone right here as our main zone, as our main support now, because it's been failing actually quite a lot of times right here before it can either go up or before it can go up here. It's been failing most of the time, so we're expecting something of that nature here, maybe a double bottom somewhere right here and shoot back up. And if that's not the case, then we are going to aim for this target, for this zone right here. On an hour time frame, this is how our structure looks like. We are going to be sending this to the group. Currently we are looking for buying opportunities, as you can see here on a smaller time frame, that here we have this zone which is being respected multiple times. So we are expecting for the market to go up, at least up until this point, before it can go out down to confirm our double bottom. Now let's move on to the other pair. On the screen right now I have GBPUSD. Now these lines right here, we have drawn this on our previous episode and you can check it. Now let's look here. We had this channel right here, of which the market escaped the channel at this point right here and shot up. Now as it comes back down to retest at this point, we were able to spot this channel again. So we have two channels right there and they are all on an uptrend. So we expected the market to hit here and shoot back up as a form of retest to this other channel. However, that didn't happen, and then we are still looking to complete this channel here. Now expecting the market to come and reach at this point right here before it can continue shooting up. If that's not the case, then we will consider this channel here as invalidated, and then we will then look for the opportunities within this channel here. Now without wasting much time, let's switch to 4-hour time frame and see what we can do on a 4-hour time frame. So this is what I'm seeing on a 4-hour time frame. I'm expecting the market to come and shoot back down again at this point right here. So I'm treating this as a retest. You can see the market crossed both on this line here and also on this support right here, of which is now tend to be resistance. So I'm expecting the market to retest at this level where we are and then continue shooting down, at least to complete this channel here. So our stop loss will be somewhere right here, and we will be able, first of all, we're going to take our profit somewhere here, a smaller profit somewhere there, and then we can then look furthermore to sell or hold this position up until somewhere right here. So this is what I'm currently seeing on GBPUSD. On the screen right here I have Nasdaq, of which is well known as NAS100. So as you can see right here, we still have that channel going up. We're not going to delete it because it's still useful at this point. So we have our first touch somewhere right here, second touch here, third touch right here. We are aiming to shoot up, at least to create a new higher high somewhere right here. So we have this as a first touch, second touch, third touch, and we are looking forward to go up, at least to create something right there at the top. So we're looking forward to create a new higher high somewhere right here. We are looking to form a new higher high there. Let's see how we can actually go about it. We are now going to scale down into a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, in my previous video I did highlighted that we have this kind of structure right here, which can be a head and shoulder structure. And now the market, at that point the market was here, and now the market is creating, still failing to break this level right there. We still confirm that we still have inverse head and shoulder right there. This is first a point or first confirmation to show that we are still shooting up. And then we're seeing that the market has been inside this channel right here. We drew this channel right here, so the market has been inside this channel right here. Now this we can see is still a very valid zone. We're still going to move up, at least to target our profit somewhere right here. So let's jump into a smaller time frame where we will see our entries. So on an hour time frame, we're not going to talk much about it. We see that we just had a touch somewhere right here. So we are expecting now to shoot up. I'm not going to draw a lot of things that will complicate us. You can see that we are still having an inverse head and shoulder again somewhere here. So this is an inverse head and shoulder again there. So we can still expect the market to shoot up. Already we can see that we have this channel right here. This is the smaller channel that we are having currently, and the market just broke out of this channel impulsively. Now we're expecting at least a mini retest, and then we then shoot back up. So what will happen is this: we are going to aim for opportunities here. If the market comes back, then we're going to leave our stop loss somewhere right here, and then we will continue shooting up. This will be our first target, and then we're going to have our second target somewhere there at the top, somewhere here, somewhere there. And then should the market continue going up right here, now we are going to target at this level right here. So at this level right here, after this level, if the market breaks this level successfully, then we will enter somewhere here and then aim for this position right there. So that's what I'm seeing on Nasdaq currently, and we're just waiting for the market to open and we will decide what to do. Lastly, on the screen I have XAUUSD, so I'm going to delete most of these lines right here so you can see exactly what's going on. On a 4 hours we can have something like this, which we are now expecting it to go furthermore down. We can expect something of this nature. Or the other scenario might be this, and of which is what I'm going to use. Might be that the market, you can see this type of a channel something right here. This will be visible enough on a smaller time frame. So on an hour time frame I can have something like this, which will confirm that the market might still shoot up, because now it just broke out and then it's coming back to retest. Although this might look as a false breakout based on the behavior, which every candle is closing next to this line. So this might be a false breakout. However, if it's not a false breakout, then I'm looking forward to buy again to that level there. It leads to this level right here. This I'm looking forward to buy to this level right there. And once the market gets there, that's when then I will analyze again to see exactly what we are looking for next. Because even right here, I can still spot an inverse head and shoulders there. So one thing I've realized is that when you know your setups, you can easily spot everything that matches your setup. So I can still see that inverse head and shoulder somewhere right there, even though it's not that perfect, but I can still spot that one there. So I'm expecting the market to shoot further more up at this point. Somewhere right here. I will enter somewhere right here. So to avoid this false breakout, I'm going to enter somewhere right here and then continue to the upside. But remember, if that's not the case, then we have this. We have this type of a structure somewhere right here, which may confirm that the market is now continuing to the downside. So we're going to have our stop loss somewhere here and then continue shooting to the downside. So at this point, we are just waiting to see what will happen once the market opens. Now if you have stayed up until this very end, it means you are enjoying these videos. Then how about you do me a favor and like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to check the Telegram group where we are going to send these setups.